Hello friend A-Arduino, this is wiring diagram. Microcontroller I use Arduino Uno, variable resistor, SG90, the small servo 4 piece, and 2 push button and 1 buzzer. For push button I connect to pin number 7 for start robot, pin number 8 for start for teach robot, buzzer pin number 9. The variable resistor I connect to A0, A1, A2, A3, A0 for the gripper, A1 for rotation, A2 for up down, and A3 for forward and backward. For the power supply for servo should be used the external power supply, or make sure the servo has the power supply enough for run the servo. Maybe the servo or the Arduino Uno may have 5 volt, but for the current may not enough for move the servo. For program I will attach in the below in below the video the original solve program this from www.ardumotive.com. You can take a look in this website. So this robot pretty good for learn for servo control, and for teach the servo we can apply for the real robot. You can make the real robot if you have more hardware is more stronger and more powerful. You can make a good robot in automatic